Bills of material are among the most crucial documents in material requirements planning. There are many different types of bills of material, and we will cover some of the different types in the upcoming modules. Establishing, managing your bills of materials, and keeping them up to date will make building items much more effective. It will prevent defects and help avoid over-processing waste. So, what is a bill of materials? A bill of materials, or BOM, as a list of all raw materials, components, subassemblies, and intermediate parts that go into a parent assembly. The bill of materials will show you the quantity of each required to make an assembly. For example, a skateboard would need 4 wheels, 1 board, 2 axles, and 8 screws on the first level. The bill of materials works with the master production schedule to determine a time phase plan of requirements that are needed, purchase requirements, and planned orders, and also suggested releases or production orders are generated. MRP will also generate other notifications, action messages, and exceptions for planners to act on or consider when making decisions. There are many different ways that a bill of materials is displayed. Some examples are the single level bill of material, indented bill of material, and modular or planning bills of material. Let's look a little closer at an example to gain a better understanding of the fundamental concepts involved in bills of materials. We'll see you soon.